Hi, my name is Lucas here with English Racing. We're from Camas, Washington, which is about 3,300 miles from here. And we got our 2005 Mitsubishi EVO 8, and we've just upgraded to the PTE 7691 next gen. And the dream there is just a little more reliability and then being able to push the envelope higher. So right now we've reset our personal record of a 7.4 at 196 1/4. I'm running about 80 pounds of boost and hoping the next pass will get it up to maybe 85. Right now the wastegates on this car are not set up the best, so there's a chance that I might run out of boost control here because I only actually have a single 3-port on this thing, so, and the springs actually aren't very big in there. But a boost creeps 70 pounds with those wastegates, so we'll see. Hopefully I can get her close to 90 today. Turbo, I mean, it obviously compared to the 7685s, 8085s, it definitely spools probably 1,000 RPM slower. But it seems like once we get it lit up, it's staying nice and in boost through the shifts. And so I was a little scared of it to start with, but right now I would say we're not having any problems getting it spooled at the line and getting it down the track. No nitrous. So I'd like to think that it has a 730 in if it doesn't break, but my gut feeling says we're going to run out of wastegate duty here at 80. So I had a misfire on the last pass. I haven't done plugs. I just did plugs. It's only a cast block. So the plan will be I'll take the wastegate lines off, and then if we do another pass, we'll put the top port on the bottom, so basically simulate a 4-port, and we'll see how much boost is left in it and go from there.